Alright, y'all, it's that season. We getting sick, so let's make some Dominican jarabe, aka some cough syrup.
How is cold season still in effect? I don't know, but let me help y'all out. I have been a victim of the weather conditions in New York. So one thing about it, this is gonna get me right every time. I dice up my red onions, cut up a ginger and a couple cloves of garlic. Add a cup of honey. Then I add about 5 to 6 limes. Mix that up and let that set in the fridge. Do a couple spoonfuls of these a day, and it's gonna get that throat right together.
Now you want to let this sit in the fridge for over 24 hours before consuming.